Modern IT teams have a unique problem. They build complex networks that run flawlessly 99.9% of the time. But because they work so well, the people relying on them can't actually see them working. The engineers on call know the infrastructure is healthy, but the executives, the auditors, and the clients paying the bills are stuck on the outside, always asking variations of the exact same question. How do I know? If you build a perfectly stable system, but you can't prove to your clients that it's stable, your success is functionally identical to a failure. For years, the industry applied a cheap bandage to this visibility problem. We sent static monthly PDF reports and pasted screenshots of server uptime into slide decks. We get on status calls and tell clients, "Trust us, everything is fine." But trust requires evidence, and a manual screenshot isn't evidence that scales across dozens of enterprise clients. Look at this comparison. A monthly report is a frozen snapshot of the past, but modern business operations run on continuous, real-time data streams that demand live answers. This vacuum of trust isn't a technical glitch, it is a communication breakdown, and fixing it requires a completely new structure. The first step to fixing this is admitting that a single dashboard serves nobody. You cannot dump the exact same raw data on every stakeholder and expect them to understand it. Watch how this breaks down. An engineer looking at the infrastructure needs granular details, like latency histograms and active node statuses. But a CFO needs that exact same underlying data translated into budget versus actual bar charts and high-level SLA compliance gauges. This is role-aware presentation. It takes one identical dataset and refracts it to speak the exact language of whoever is looking at it. Information is only truly transparent if it is framed in a way that the audience can actually read. Translating all that data manually takes time, so we use AI to automatically turn the raw numbers of what happened into plain English summaries of why it matters. But there is an immediate, obvious roadblock. Sending sensitive internal data across your perimeter to a public cloud AI creates massive security risks. The solution is local data sovereignty. By running AI models locally, strictly inside your perimeter, the system interprets data without a single byte leaving. You get the speed of AI translation without sacrificing the security of your network. That creates a new problem. When an executive or a compliance auditor makes a major operational decision, the AI said so is an unacceptable excuse. To solve this, we introduce AI model telemetry, a tool built specifically to watch, record, and grade the AI itself. Look at the receipt beneath this AI response. It records the exact model provider, the version number, the timestamp, and the latency speed for every single answer generated. Instead of treating AI outputs as unverified guesses, you now have a permanent, irrefutable audit trail of exactly how a conclusion was reached. We move past trusting the infrastructure data alone. We are mathematically proving the reliability of the AI that interprets it. So you have internal data that is auditable, role-specific, and sovereign. How do you safely share it with the outside world? You use public transparency sharing. This is the mechanism that permanently replaces the static monthly PDF. You generate a secure token that authorizes a live, read-only window into specific metrics. This provides the client immediate access with a ticking countdown timer and zero credential management required. Frictionless access permanently converts the empty promise of "trust us" into the immediate action of "see for yourself." We started with a vacuum of trust and replaced it with a mathematically auditable, live view of the entire operation. For service providers, delivering this level of verifiable proof elevates your offering far above competitors who still ask clients to rely on blind faith. These layers reinforce each other. The data validation supports the AI telemetry, and the telemetry validates the client delivery. In the modern IT landscape, uptime is expected. The real product is verifiable proof that your system does exactly what you claim.